Don't you open up that window. Don't you let out that antidote.
What's up, guys? It's NBA Kid here. Today, I'm gonna be opening up 50,000 coins worth of packs. So, I'm gonna be just opening up these packs and seeing what we're gonna get. So, let's see. Sorry, guys, I'm sick. So, today, I'm just gonna open up some packs. I have 13 packs. I'm gonna open up it all. Look at my team, 77 overall. I got this 80 overall James Harden. Oh, guys, you are not ready to see his stats. If you watch Ultimate Buckeye, you probably already know. But still, I'm gonna say his stats on my channel too. So let me see. What happened? 80 speed, 90 agility, 89 mid-range, 78 three-pointer, 74 inside paint, 72 dunk, 81 scoring with contact, 73 on-ball defense, 86 steal, 90 dribbling, 78 passing accuracy, 92 contested shot, and yeah. So, every time I do a voiceover, it always lags like this. I say it too fast. There you go. Okay, yeah. That's my lineup. Got this Eric Gordon, 78 three-point shot. Nice. Okay, let's see. I forgot to post his Amir Johnson. Post him up for 4,500. So there it goes. 4,500. Okay. Now, it's time to open up these packs. The pack at it is back at it. No, I'm not QJB. Never will be. Alright, we're gonna open up this silver lottery ball pack. So, yeah. Okay, nothing good right there. Just some silver lottery balls. Now, we're in the NBA pack. Now, people think these packs are trash, but they're not. You can get golds in these. So, I suggest you open up these packs. They're only 3,500 coins. I opened up a lot of these, and I got lots of golds. So, yeah, you gotta be grinding to open up these packs. And I'm gonna open it right now. Okay, I get trash. Okay, no, trash. They're all trash, no! Oh, trash. Let's see what we can get in the second pack. What are we gonna get in the second pack? Morris Wagner, DeAndre Bembry. Nope, nothing. This is my second pack, and this is my third pack now. Three times charm. Let's see what we're gonna get. Nothing. Oh, there we go. It's Smith. Let's go. That's about 3,500 profit. Okay, fourth pack. Let's see what we're gonna get. Okay. We get Norman Powell, Antonio Blankney. Nothing good right there. Nothing good. Fifth pack, I believe. We're gonna get Drew Martin. Oh! 74 overall! Jeremy Lamb, that's the best you can get. These packs, I'm telling you guys, you gotta be opening up these packs. Come on. Roncho. Okay, nothing good in this pack. I think this is the six pack? Yep, six pack. Oh! Wilson Chandler, let's go! Okay, seventh pack. Lucky seven. No, nothing good in this. Okay. 8th pack. Let's see. No. Nothing good. Oh! We get Lonzo Ball! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I think that was the 9th pack. Or 8th, I don't know. I was going to say 9th. This is the 10th pack, I'm pretty sure. Nothing. Oh, that was the 11th pack. Alright, anyway, here's the Pro pack. Can we pull an elite? Can we pull an elite? Devontae Graham? Michael Kidd-Gilchrist. But we got all these players, so you know what we can gonna do. We're gonna head over to the Hot Diggity Dog sets. We're gonna head over to the front office. We're gonna put these players in. And get us a silver player. Put it back in. Oh, wow. 14 out of 15, but that's alright. We're gonna head over to the gold set now. We're gonna open up this gold one, save it on that later. We're gonna do another one. Put it up. Hold that thought. Okay, we got 3 of these gold players. I mean, silver players. No, we can put all these players in there, but I'm not. Alright. So we're gonna go back to my team. And we got 3 more packs to open up. So we are gonna open up the silver one first. And we are gonna get Jerry Bayless. Okay, so what do I do? Oh, put him back in the set. Okay. Yep, Jerry Bayless. Let's go back. Okay. There we go. 2 more packs to open up. Gold trade up. Gold trade. Yep, gold trade. Okay, 71 Tyler Johnson. What are we gonna get? 72 Michael Kidd-Gilchrist. Okay. So we gotta go post all these players up. And with my other auctions, we're gonna be making about 75K profit. Around there, probably 72, 73K. I'm gonna post these up for 5K. So, yeah. I'm gonna make some profit, hopefully, off these players. I'm trying to raise up the prices for golds. For base golds, like 70 through 74. So, it can go up to 20K, and then the 79, 78, 77, 75 through 80, 75 through 79s go up to 50K. Because last year did that. These are all my auctions I have up. So I'm making about 80K around there. So, yeah. That's pretty much going to conclude this pack opening. If you enjoyed this video, please smash a like. Comment if you liked it. Yeah. Why am I still filming? I don't know what I was saying, but really. Oh, anyway, thank you guys for watching and peace out.